Have you ever noticed how sometimes your phone gets slow? Apps start lagging, things stop working properly, but then you restart the phone. Everything runs better again. Our bodies are actually a little like that too. When we fast for many hours during Ramadan, our insulin levels drop and bodies start burning stored fat for energy. Inflammation may decrease and our metabolism becomes more efficient. Even our brains practice patience and self-control. When Ramadan resets our habits, our bodies are resetting their systems. Ramadan isn't just a spiritual reset, it's a biological reset too.